What's up guys, Nate here, coming back at you with another video. What's going on guys? It is a beautiful Tuesday here in California. It's a little bit cold for what I'm used to for this time of year, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not complaining, it's pretty nice. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you haven't already hit that nice looking subscribe button, you should consider doing so. We're creating a really cool community here together. I'm trying to help as many people as I possibly can. You can message me on Instagram, just comment below, and then people will see me helping people. And the goal is to just help each other and just have it become full circle, create an outstanding community together, eventually create a really cool group where we're just, all helping each other, feeding off each other, not just for Shopify necessarily, but just for entrepreneur stuff, real estate, Bitcoin, or, crypto, all that stuff. So anyway, if you haven't joined already, join the family, like the video, let's get right into it. So Shopify courses. Shopify courses are really interesting because there's so many of them and so many of them cover different things. Everyone has their different techniques. Some people only use Instagram, some people only use Facebook, some people use both, some people use Instagram then Facebook. There are just so many different ways to do Shopify, and that's one of the reasons why it's so cool, is because there's not a right answer, there's not a wrong answer. There might be some wrong answers that really won't get you anywhere, but for the most part, if you're being creative with your marketing, you're getting your stuff out there, you're doing everything on Instagram, Facebook, you're progressing every day. It really doesn't matter how you do it. You're gonna find success if you don't quit. That's my advice. So the reason that I still buy Shopify courses, even though I don't necessarily need to, I guess, if you want to say that, but the first reason why I still buy Shopify courses is because it keeps me in the right mindset for one thing that I'm doing, which is Shopify. So just let me give a quick example to corroborate that claim. So let's say you have a book, right? And this book tells you how much life sucks and how much you're going to hate everything, and just all that awful stuff. Hopefully books like that don't exist, maybe on the low key, but so if you're reading one of those books every single day that just tells you how much life is going to suck and everything, your life is going to suck. You're going to start believing it. You're going to get in that mentality, that mindset. Things are going to suck. Things are going to start going bad. You're not going to progress. You're just going to start hating yourself, hating others, hating life. It's going to be awful. But what's really cool about that is if you do the opposite, you're constantly filling your mind with good things, great books, positive books, books that lift you up. In this case, Shopify courses to get you in the right mindset for Shopify, keep you in the right mindset. For me personally, that's one reason why I still buy them. It keeps me in the right mindset. And if you're making money with Shopify every month, it's a no-brainer, guys. And don't quote me on this. You should talk to your CPA before you do anything, but that could be considered a business expense and a write-off. Reason number 2 why I still buy Shopify courses is because let's just think about this, okay? That's interesting. But anyway, so let's say Shopify courses $300. That might be a little bit conservative. Some of them are just way more money, some of them are way less money. But just think about this. A Shopify course that you take, just think about this. One Shopify course has one brand new idea that you've never heard of, that you try out, that takes you from this level to this level. Just think about that, guys. That's freaking priceless, dude. Like, just one idea for $300 that can just take you to the very next level. That's ridiculous, dude. Like, you just don't find that anywhere else, which is another reason why I just read so many books, honestly. Sorry, this is getting kind of annoying. But anyway, yeah, that's why I read so many books, and that's why I'm going to start doing my my book series on here. I already have one up that I based on the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. It's called Read More Books, episode 1. We're going to be launching episode 2 this week, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, you should definitely just buy Shopify courses, because if it gives you one brand new idea, guys, that's just so incredibly valuable and priceless. So just think about that if you're on the fence about buying even just like your first Shopify course, or if you haven't bought any yet, just keep that in mind. And again, I don't even have a course. Like, I'm not plugging myself at all. Like, I'm still at the point where I can just help people without a course because, I can just respond individually. Maybe at some point it'll, get there where I'm going to have to do that. I don't know. Like, we're growing together. We'll see, right? So reason number 3 that I buy Shopify courses still has to do with the mindset mentality thing. So it keeps you in, let's see, I've heard someone say this before, like the student mentality, if you will. So you're always focused on learning. You're always focused on progression. For me, once I stop learning something, once I start thinking, okay, I got this, like, it's good, I got this down, that's when you start falling backwards, because everyone is constantly moving forward. And if you're just sitting there standing still by default without doing anything, people are passing you up without you even knowing it. So you just want to always be in that student mentality, no matter what you're doing, not just Shopify, not just entrepreneur stuff, but just stuff in life, anything at all. Always keep learning, always keep reading books, like looking at videos, just never stop learning. That's the takeaway for you. Those are the 3 reasons why I still buy Shopify courses. Just to end off this video, one Shopify course that I've bought that I really, really liked was from my guy UC. If you watch Shopify videos, you know who he is. He's the freaking charismatic dude, weightlifter, facial hair. Anyway, if you haven't checked out his course, you should. I'm not going to link it. Just go to his channel or something. But thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, maybe give a like. If you didn't like it, comment below why. If you did, still comment. Let me know. Let me know some videos that you want me to do. Seriously, guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This means the world to me. You guys are so awesome. We're growing together. I hope you guys have a great day, and check back with you guys tomorrow. See ya.